Hi, I'm Garrett Hansen, and this is my final presentation. For my final project, I did a model of the Airbus A380 jumbo jet. The reason I picked the A380 is I love airplanes. I think they're really cool, and the A380 specifically is because it's the biggest passenger jet currently in the skies, and it is discontinued. Airbus no longer makes them because they weren't profitable enough, so I thought that's kind of sad, but I'll make a model of it. So that's why I chose this model of airplane. My goals for the project are to create as accurate of a model as I can and learn new skills besides just the basic ones that we learned from the textbook, and I just wanted to gain more knowledge of SolidWorks. So here are all the skills that I learned and used on the project, including lofting, 3D sketching, surfacing, and different kinds of curves. So here's my model. As you can see, I tried to make it as accurate and true to the real airplane as I could make it, including all four engines, a fuselage, and wings that are up to scale and shaped correctly, the correct number of wheels, and everything should be symmetrical and just make it look as accurate as possible. Here's the main body parts of the airplane, which are the fuselage, the wings, the tail fin, and the vertical fin at the back. So these are the stabilizers, this is the wings, and this actually is what makes it the body of the plane. The engine assembly, I did something pretty simple. I found a tutorial and I had to scale it up by 10 times in order to make it work with the rest of the model, but that was pretty simple. So it's just three parts: a propeller, a shaft, and the housing. I did three different landing gear configurations, including using all the same wheels, same axles, just a different holding mechanism for each one, and each of the rear configurations are used twice and the front configuration is only used once. So here is the exploded drawing of the airplane assembly. As you can see, I kept the sub-assemblies together so that I could show those exploded in next drawings. Here's the landing gear exploded drawings. As you can see, they have the naming schemes the same, and yeah. Here's my exploded drawing of the engine. It's not much more there besides what you've already seen. And here is some pictures that I took of putting the airplane in different backgrounds in order to see what it would actually look like in real life. So this is like a takeoff up here, and two different views of what would be like a traditional landing, even though that's a road and not a landing strip. And then an attempted emergency landing would be this one over here on the dirt strip. So the credits, I learned how to do the lofting and splining for making airplanes from a YouTube channel called CAD Cam Art. And for the jet engine, I did a tutorial from CAD Cam Tutorial. And for the wheels and stuff like that, I did that myself from my own prior knowledge. Alright, well, thanks for watching my presentation.